I'm Dr. Sivaranjani Santosh. I'm a pediatrician and I've trained more than 13,000 people in first aid and CPR. But today's was a very unique experience. It's really nice to come here to Woxsen University onto this lovely campus with so many students here, and really appreciate the management for calling me here to train their staff in first aid and CPR. Safety always first, and really appreciate that. And I really wish that I can train all the students on campus in first aid and CPR as well. And my message to all the students here, there are so many options in healthcare sector. You don't have to be doctors. You can still be a part of the healthcare sector and make a difference. So all the best. Thank you.